Hi, have you ever tried to upload an Excel sheet to SharePoint to create a SharePoint list using the Excel wizard? And have you observed that the columns will be created with the display name properly? But if you observe, the internal name will be field underscore one, field underscore two. But do you know why it happens? The modern wizard uses the latest Microsoft Graph and SharePoint REST APIs. These are designed to be fail-safe, often abstracting the underlying schema to ensure the data lands successfully, even if it means using generic names. So this is by design. Do we have any solution? Yes, we do have a solution. How to do that? By using Microsoft Excel desktop application. If you see my screen, I have a table here. If you do not have table, just select the range and click on Ctrl T. That will help you and show you the table. Then you can provide a table name, and when you do that, you will get a new tab here, table design. In the table design, you will see external table data. There you will have export table to SharePoint list. Here you have to choose your SharePoint list where you want to upload this Excel and you want to see it as a list. Provide your SharePoint site URL here and provide a name for the list, and if you require you can provide the description and click on next. If you observe, we have a column here with these names. So the display name and the internal name will be created with exactly same name what we see here. Once you verify this, you can click on finish. Once you click on finish, it will start processing and it will create the SharePoint list in the specified URL. Now let's see the list that we uploaded using Microsoft Excel desktop application. This is the list, and if you see the instructor column, you can see instructor is internal name is also instructor, score internal name also score. So we have achieved our goal. Why this happens? Let's see. The legacy export utilizes the classic SharePoint list web service SOAP via list.asmx. This service will be built to trust the client application's explicit data definition. When Excel sends the command, it maps your headers directly to the static name and internal name attributes in SharePoint. Perfect. So if you observe the sample ratings list, this is the list which we created. This icon is the legacy list icon, and the new icons are different. When you click on this list, you will identify one thing, like you will not see Power Apps Forms menu tab there. So in the menu item, if you observe, you will not see forms, whereas in the modern list design, you can see it. Let me open the modern design. If you see this is the forms. Other than this difference, everything you will see same. For the full architectural deep dive and step-by-step guide, check out the links in the description. Thank you. My name is Sunil. Uh, in the SharePoint flow, when you try to get items from SharePoint and when you try to filter it, you need to use the internal name for filtration.